Today in this tutorial we are going to discuss on alias. Why alias? What is the use of alias in OBIEE? So there has been a lot of questions on the need of aliases in the physical layer. So what are the key benefits of alias? Reuse and maintenance. Using alias, same physical table can be reused more than once in middle layer and presentation layer. Even if the physical table name change, you don't need to change the middle layer and presentation layer as long as alias of the physical table remains same. Next is we have to avoid the circular join. Circular join is a situation wherein two-dimension tables can be joined with each other as well as through fact table. OBIEE does not support circular join in BMM layer. You will get error during consistency check. Circular joins can be avoided in BMM layer through alias in physical layer. Next point is naming standard. In the OBIEE project, there could be naming standards to be followed. For table, dimension tables should end with D and fact tables always should end with F. The physical tables in source database, transactional database or data warehouse might not have same standards, so that we can identify them separately and it will be easy to judge what are the fact tables and what are dimension tables. In such cases, alias can be defined as per business intelligence naming standard. The last point is caching. What is caching? You can change the caching configuration during alias creation. Aliases can have different caching rule than physical table. Thanks for watching this audio tutorial of OBIEE. Stay tuned with this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Please share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thanks.